All right, so this first warm up, obviously I could just create a huge table and just plug in as many random numbers as I want. But what was that formula that I said would help you determine where it's located? Very good. So x is going to equal negative b over 2a. And remember, we get the a term from right here, negative 2. The b term. Oh, my screen is frozen. Okay. C is positive 1. Okay. Well, I'm still recording back here, even though you can't see it. Bam. There it is. Yeah, it'll show my computer screen, not that screen. Okay, so then I'm going to plug those in. So I'm going to plug in, remember this is a 4 and this is the opposite of b, so this is actually a negative 4. And then 2 times negative 2. Oh, I heard some people. So negative 4 over negative 4. So that gives me a positive 1. So I'm getting my line of symmetry is x equals 1. Okay, so that means that right here, my parabola is going to be located on this line somewhere. Okay, but it would also be helpful if I could find the vertex, because then that would also kind of tell me where I'm going to be on this line. I also look at this negative right here, and I realize that that means this will be facing down, so I know that it's going to be something like that. Okay, so if I want to find what the y value is, I just need to plug in my x value back into my original equation. So in order to find y, I'm going to take negative 2, 1 squared, plus 4 times 1 plus 1. And so this is going to be what? Negative 2 plus 4 plus 1. So negative 2 plus 5, I'm getting 3. So that makes my vertex at 1, 3. So I go over 1 and up 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now that I know that and I know it faces down, now I can start to create my little mini table here, because I won't need very many numbers. Obviously, I'm going to want to use 0 because that's easy, and it's probably going to come this direction. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in a 0 here. So if I plug in 0 and a 0, all I get left is a 1. So there's this number. So 0, 1. Since this is my line of reflection, I also know that that would be a point. Now I already have 3 points. I just need one more. So maybe I would put in, let's see, this was 2, so maybe I could put in a 3 in my table. Alright, so let's see. Negative, let's see if I can get this on the screen. Negative 2 times 3 squared plus 4 times 3 plus 1. Oh, this is going to be pretty big, isn't it? So 3 squared is 9 times negative 2. Well, maybe not too bad. Plus 12 plus 1. So that's what? Negative 18 plus 13. Oh, that's not too bad. So negative 5. Uh-huh. Alright, so I'm going to go over 3 and down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then that is 1, 2 away, so 1, 2 away. Looks like right there. Is that what you guys got?
Yep.
Sure? Well, what's wrong with it? That's what you got. So you just messed up on a point? Okay.